Hello guys, today we'll discuss about the network automation. Okay, we are going to start the network automation. It's very important mandatory for the network engineers to know about the network automation also. Okay, the next generation network engineers should be capable of network automation also because it's very mandatory right now because the main reason is this only. What you can see from this figure, last 20 years, 2 decades, there is no change. Can you see that? Still, the only the change we can say is talent to SSH. There is no change at all for the last 20 years. Okay, so the change is not there because we are not getting to the network automation. But we have changes right now, and we want to go with the technology right now. Okay, and the problem is this: for the last 20 years, other technology like hypervisor, wireless controllers, IP, PBX, PowerShell, DevOps, it's gone too far. The networking is lag behind, you know, 20 years right now. So we want to start the idea behind the network automation, and we want to make it possible for the networking. Okay, the person which is reason for the change of this networking device or network automation is Martin Casado. He's responsible for the huge change in the networking side after the 2015. So the main change is the main thing we want to study or we want to attain the knowledge is SDN, software defined networking. But if you want to study the software defined networking, we want to go for the digging deep. That is, before we want to know about what open flow, which is the first thing which is introduced. Okay, nothing nothing. OpenFlow is just a protocol which is used to decoupling the networking devices control plane from the data plane. We know that control plane is there, data plane is there, management plane is there. Three type of plane is there for every networking device. We have three planes: control plane, data plane, and management plane. The management plane is for the accessing or managing the device, that kind of things. But the data plane and control plane is the important things that we want to know. The control plane is controlling the flow of data. That means by IP route commands, routing commands, that kind of commands, we are controlling certain process. Not only routing, switching kind of thing also is there. And but in data plane, what is happening is which protocol we are using, which is responsible for the data plane communication. That means BGP or SPF, STP. We can take an example for data plane protocols. And first we want to know that it is nothing that means OpenFlow is nothing just decoupling of network device control plane from the data plane. That means we are dividing the control data plane to different sector. Okay, simpler words, we can see that you just think that the control plane is a brain of the networking device. Okay, brain we have capable of, and the brain is controlling all the networking data plane differently. You can see that the OpenFlow is not responsible for the management plane. Okay, management plane and OpenFlow, there is no link, but OpenFlow is mainly used for decoupling the control plane and data plane. Okay, okay, we are not into, still we don't know what is SDN, software defined networking. Okay, I cannot explain with a simple word what is software defined networking, but I can explain the software defined networking with certain things. Not only OpenFlow, there are certain technology we want to know before getting into the SDN. That is OpenFlow, network function virtualization, virtual switching, network virtualization, device APIs, network automation, bare metal switching, data center network fabrics, and SD-WAN. This combination of all things is combined together to form the SDN. So we want to know each and everything. Okay, we'll discuss it in next class. Thank you guys.